Welcome to the spa. This is a part of a series where I just buy random things on the internet, which I justify by saying I'll review them on the internet. It's recycling, pretty much. Gel nail strips. I've gotten so many ads for these on Instagram. I've been dying to try them, but not from the brands that are advertising to me because they're expensive. I found these on Amazon. The brand is Gelato Factory. So these are half cured, and you apply them to your nails and then put them under a UV light to finish curing them. So I bought this UV light, which looks like an amphitheater. I don't know about you, but I'm terrible at doing my own nails. And this box was like $10, which is cheaper than a manicure. It's not recommended to wear beyond 2 weeks. What will happen? Oh, tools. I open everything like a savage. Okay, here's what the little nails look like. And then there's a little step-by-step. You want to choose a nail strip slightly smaller than your nail. Remove the transparent protective film. Peel off the nail strip. Okay, here's the before of my really beautiful hands. Got some hangnail action, or lack thereof. I'm gonna go fix these babies up. I don't really want you watching that, so BRB. Oh no, I think I may have made them much worse. Alright, moving on in spite of the fact that I am nearly bleeding out. I guess we'll do this hand second. Stop bleeding. I think my pinky should be sparkly. It's stuck to me. Jeez, this thing is sticky. Oh, it's got a nice sparkle to it. You gotta bend this little part over. Oh my gosh. Can you stop bleeding, please? Enough of that. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna just trim it a bit. I think you can actually just file it and it'll break off, but I just got these and I'm trying to get some use out of them. Sanding it down. Wait, filing it down. I'm not a construction worker. One fingy done. It won't focus on it, sorry. Okay, so far, they're looking good. I think I'm definitely choosing nails that are too small for my fingers. I've got body dysmorphia in the sense that I don't know what size my fingers are. Okay, this is much better. This is how I used to flip people off on the playground in elementary school. I never got in trouble, but I definitely got my message across. Sorry, I know I keep moving the camera. We're not very polished here at Adria Barrage Studios. Oh shoot, this line is totally crooked. I'm gonna have to flip people off quickly so they don't notice. 3 done. 8 to go. I almost had to use my fingers to count that. 4. What's the thumb gonna be? I'm feeling geometric. Come to Papa. That's a whole hand. Okay, now I have to go cure them in my spaceship. For 1 minute! Let me head on over to that station. Ooh, this looks sketchy. I feel like it might give me cancer. Excuse me, I'm showing some tasteful leg. So you don't have to use the LED light, but it said it's recommended. Oh good, you finally stopped bleeding. Okay, here's my hand. Is this finger crooked? This is probably good information for me to have. Okay, I'm gonna go do the other hand. You don't need to watch, you've already seen it. I'll be right back. Okay, here's an aerial view. Some of them are too small for my hand, which is user error. Here's the other hand. I chose the clear one for my bloody finger so that you could see the blood through the window. I thought that was a cool touch. I just feel bad that I have these left over. I need to find a friend with these exact size fingers. They're legit gel nails. And I can't ever apply anything like this. It was super easy. And I literally just finished curing them. There's no dry time. I would feel completely comfortable eating an entire rack of ribs right now. And I can guarantee my manicure would stay in place. Conversely, I just painted my toenails with regular toenail polish. If I even look at a pair of socks in the next 2 hours, they will smudge. I'll put the link to the ones that I got in the comments, but just look up half-cured gel strip and you'll get the same results. It'll be interesting to see how long they last, so I'll update you in the comments once the first one chips. This headband's a little wet because I use it on Oatmeal after I give him a bath while I'm drying him because he's scared of the sound of the blow dryer. So it covers his little ears.